In this video you will learn how to update the HyperX QuadCast S firmware. Download the HyperX NGENUITY software. Visit the official HyperX website and install the latest version of the NGENUITY app on your PC. Connect your HyperX QuadCast S. Plug your microphone into your computer using USB cable. Open the HyperX NGENUITY. Launch the software and wait for it to recognize your QuadCast S microphone. Check the firmware updates. Inside NGENUITY, select your QuadCast S and look for the firmware update notifications. Start the update process. Click the update button and allow your software to download and install the latest firmware. Restart then test your microphone. Once the update is complete, restart your PC and reconnect the mic to ensure the changes have taken effect. Now you know how to update your HyperX QuadCast S firmware. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.